So here I'm introducing for the how to making money on YouTube. So if you money on earning on YouTube, the condition will be called 1000 subscriber, 4000 hour of views. When you start by 1000 subscriber will be done, 4000 hour will be watch on your videos. Your earning will be start. The earning will be here in the showing for your ads that is based on by totally 5 ads. That is called sponsor card, skippable, non-skippable, display and overlay. So if you make the money less than 10 minutes, the ad will be showing for two areas. That is called in the content part, they're showing for only one, and they're showing for rest of the video they're showing for display ads. It is called display ads. So that is very important from your YouTube earnings. So in a YouTube earning part, if you play this any video, you can see this one. This is a non-skippable and skippable video. This is called display ad. One is called non-skippable and skippable, and this is called display ad. One skip ad will be done. So no ad will be displayed by the less than 10 minutes. Next will be the showing only for display ad will be continuously. The showing with display ad will be continuously and showing by your system. So that is called making money on your YouTube. Suppose if you go for more than 10 minutes, how many ads will be accepted? They accepted for the manual ads, your wish. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When comment yellow, that will be showing for in your video right side, and the showing for overlay ad also. One is called display by here, and the showing for here also. It is called very important. See this one. Ad will be appear. So when see your ad, the earning will be increase on your making money from your YouTube. So that is called we starting from here for earning purpose. That is called you can make a money less than 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. Earnings are more only for possible by the more than 10 minutes videos.